Hello students, welcome in your science class. I am Kapsim is here for making your science easy. We have started our chapter Properties of Natural Resources. And I have told you there are main three natural resources, that is air, water and soil. In last some periods we have also done some activities for showing the properties of air. You have done the activity of balloon and the activity of syringe. From that experiments, the conclusion made is air has mass and weight and air exert atmospheric pressure. In this lesson, we have to study the properties of natural resources. Means property of air, property of water and property of land means soil. First of all, we will start to study the properties of air. Air has some specific properties. We will see it one by one. First property is air is a mixture of gas. There are several gases in air. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. These are some main gases in the air. Then second property is air has no shape. Air को shape नहीं होता है, but it gives shape to the things. एयर की वजह से थिंग्स को शेप मिलता है. जैसे इस टायर में एयर भरने से उसे शेप मिला है. देन द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज एयर ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. इसके लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी देखेंगे. टेक अ बलून, फ्लैट बलून एंड ब्लो इट. द साइज ऑफ द बलून becomes bigger and bigger. This happens because air occupies space inside the balloon. balloon में जो space है वो air ने occupy की है. It means air occupies space. The fourth property is air gives shape to the things. जैसे अभी हमने देखा टायर में हमने एयर फिलअप की तो उस टायर को शेप मिल गया. वैसे ही अगर फ्लैट बलून फुटबॉल लिया जिसमें से हवा निकल गई है और उसमें हमने एयर फिलअप की, हवा फिलअप की, तो वो फुटबॉल फिर से राउंड हो जाता है. इट मीन्स एयर गिव्स शेप टू द थिंग्स. The next property is air has weight. एयर को वेट होता है और ये एक्सपेरिमेंट आपने किया है. Blow air into 2 balloons and tie each of them with string. Take a long scale and tie the balloon at both the ends of the scale. Tie one more string in middle of the scale and hang it. With the help of pin, puncture one balloon and see. The another side with puncture balloon goes up. It means air has weight. See these children. They are flying kite. You also fly kite. light, when it goes up, it floats in the air, and it happens because air exerts pressure. It is called atmospheric pressure. And this atmospheric pressure is the same in all directions. It is property of air. Air exerts pressure, and that pressure is called atmospheric pressure. The next property is, if temperature increases, molecule expand, and so density and air pressure decrease. जब टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है तो एयर का प्रेशर जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. एंड इफ टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस, मॉलिक्यूल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सो डेंसिटी एंड एयर प्रेशर डिक्रीज. और जब टेम्परेचर कम होता है, बहुत कम होता है, जैसे कि कोल्ड रीजन में, पोलर रीजन में, तो एयर का प्रेशर जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. इट मीन्स टेम्परेचर इज, एयर इज अफेक्टेड बाय टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर अफेक्ट्स द एयर. These are some main properties of air. I will give you these properties to you. You have to write down them in your notebook. Then air regulates the temperature of earth surface. Air की वजह से अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो मेंटेन होता है. एयर रेगुलेट्स द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. एयर इज यूजफुल एज अ मीडियम फॉर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ साउंड. साउंड जो है वो एयर में से ट्रेवल करता है, और एयर की वजह से ही हमें एक दूसरे की साउंड सुनाई देती है. These are some uses and properties of air. So, today we have studied the properties of air and some uses of air. Which are the properties of air? Air is a mixture of gas. It has no shape, but it gives shape to the things. It has mass and weight. It exerts pressure, and it is called atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is same in all the directions. It is affected by temperature. It occupies space, and air can be compressed. These are the properties of air. Then which are the uses of air? Air regulates the temperature of the earth's surface, and air is useful as a medium for transmission of sound. Note down these properties and uses of air in your notebook. The next content we will see in next video.